want to know about this case, just press 1. Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line. You'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Hello.
Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Yeah, hello. My name is Barun. I came to Canada last week as a student, and today I got this call like there's something wrong with my social insurance number. What exactly it is?
Okay, you say your name is what?
Barun
What's your last name?
Singh. Barun Singh.
Can you verify me your name? I mean your social insurance number?
Social insurance. Just give me 1 second. It's in my laptop. Just give me 1 second. Yes, I can tell you.
Go ahead.
374 839 272.
Okay, alright. This is not the social number that I'm looking for, okay? I'm not dumb. Go back to your country.